Hello my friends, welcome to Joystick. In this video, I will show you how to install Python 3.14.3 on Windows 11. Let's begin the installation right away. Open Google Chrome or any browser of your choice. In the URL bar, type python.org. Hit enter. This is going to take you to the official website of Python. Now hover over Downloads. Here you are going to see a button that is going to say Python 3.14.3. Click on this button to download the Python 3.14.3 installer. Now, open it. There you go. On the installer window, make sure you check these two checkboxes. They are very important. And then you need to click on Install Now. And you can see the installation has begun. Let me minimize the browser window. Awesome. It says setup was successful. Let's close the installer now. Let's verify the installation of Python 3.14.3 now. To do that, click on the Windows icon and type cmd in the search bar. Once the command prompt appears, click on it to open the command prompt. Here in the command prompt, type python space version. Hit enter. There you go. It says Python 3.14.3. We just installed it. Now, let's create our first Python program in Python 3.14.3. So, click on the Windows icon to open the Start menu and type here ideally. If you have multiple Python versions installed on your Windows 11 machine or laptop, then you will see multiple idles appearing. But you need to open idle from Python 3.14 because that's what we just installed. Click on it to open idle. If you don't know what idle is, then idle is Python's built-in code editor and interpreter. It lets you write, run and test Python programs instantly without installing anything extra. As you can see on the screen, idle shell is open. Let's write our first Python program, which will be nothing but a line of simple Python code. We'll write print, within brackets, within double quotes. Let's write hello Joey. Hit enter and there you go. We have run our first Python program using Python 3.14.3 and we ran it in idle shell. Now let me show you how to run your first Python program using idle editor. You can create your own .py scripts using idle editor. To open idle editor, click on File and then click on New File. There you go. Idle editor is open. In here, type print within its brackets, within double quotes. Let's type hello world this time. Now save this file. To do that, click on File and click on Save. Let's call this file first program underscore 3143 and it's going to automatically save it as .py file. So click on Save. Awesome. You can see the file has been saved on my desktop. Now let me show you how to run it. Click on Run in the menu and then simply click on Run Module. There you go. The file has executed in the idle shell and you can see the output hello world. And that was a brief idle tutorial. And with this, we have come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed learning how to install Python 3.14.3 on Windows 11 from this video of Joystick. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye and take very good care of yourself.